Hey guys, it's Cara, welcome back to the Rambutina channel. Today I have an AliExpress yarn haul. I've never bought yarn from AliExpress before, but obviously I've bought some wigs and also some stationery bits, so because it's so cheap. But yeah, so I was looking all over the place for chenille velvet yarn, and yeah, AliExpress has the cheapest ones, so I thought I'd do an order. So I got 100 grams like skeins, and because I bought 10 I could select the free faster shipping. So when did I order this? I ordered this on the 14th of March and it arrived yesterday, which was the 22nd of March. So it took like just over a week, which is really good for AliExpress, because obviously usually it takes like over a month sort of thing. So you kind of order it and then forget about it, and then a month later you're like, oh, packages. So yeah, I was really shocked on how quick this was. It took, yeah, just over a week. So I'm going to show you what I got. I need to get the app up again so we can tell you the colours and how much they were. Altogether it came to £21.11 for 10 skeins. But yeah, let's go through all the colours. Oh yeah, the reason why I wanted to get chenille yarn was because I started making amigurumis again. Well, I've never really delved into it that much. But yeah, I've started because I've seen it everywhere, and I bought a book, and I'll show you in my Q&A video a bit more about amigurumi stuff. But anyway, I wanted to get some of this yarn because I've seen it looks so nice with amigurumi projects. So I got one of each colour, and I kind of wish I got two of each because I'm worried I don't have enough, but it's okay, we'll just get some more. So first of all, I got some white, and I have a project in mind, like a design I want to make and actually create into an amigurumi. I haven't done that before, where I've literally come up with my own amigurumi design, so I'm really excited about that. So I got this white, and yeah, so it's this velvet chenille. I don't know if it says what weight of yarn it is. I'd say it's like in between a DK and an Aran. Maybe it's a 4 medium weight, I'm not too sure. But yeah, and these don't have labels on them. All we know is that it's 100 grams and that it is chenille yarn, and it's anti-pilling as well. So let me just check all the other details about it. Yeah, velvet yarn, polyester, blended cotton. So maybe there's some cotton in there. Yeah, so yeah, let's go through the colours. So this is called Milk White. So yeah, really nice. Right there you can see the colour a bit better. Yeah, it's like an off-white, it's not pure white. So I've got one of those. Then we got this light pink colour, which is super nice. I got a red. So yeah, this is what I want to pair with this, so maybe you can guess what I'm gonna make. It looks very Christmassy, but yeah, these are the two colours I'm gonna use in my design. Oh, you might have seen a sneak peek in my last video actually, a drawing on my iPad, so if you could go back on that and maybe see it, it will be like a millisecond, but you might be able to see the design in there. And anyway, I don't actually know when I'll get around to that project because I've got so many projects going on at the moment. Yeah, I don't know how long it will be until I have that video out because I've obviously got to design it first. Oh, I was thinking of making a video of me, like the process of me designing an amigurumi. I thought that might be a fun idea to have kind of like a crochet vlog of me designing a project. I don't know if you guys would be interested in that. Yeah, let me know. Next up, trying to find the colours in order. There we go. Then we have this deep pink colour. It's a really nice blush colour. Yeah, those were the only two colours that I have a project in mind, and the others I just picked up because I liked the colours and I thought I'll come up with a design, or you know, a pattern from a book or whatever to use it for. Yeah, so I needed to get 10 skeins, so I thought I'd just pick up a bunch of different colours that I liked. So then we've got that's the deep pink. Then we have this caramel colour, which is this nice brown, light brown colour. That'd be really nice for like a bunny rabbit or something, or a cat, or a teddy bear. We've got a light grey as well. I thought that was like an essential one to get, super nice. And yeah, they are really, really soft and snuggly. This is going to be so nice as a plushie. So the amigurumi that I just made is using the Aldi baby yarn, this stuff here. And that is a bulky weight yarn, and this is thinner. Oh, cuckoo. It's curious. Well, Marco has the cone on. Got into a bit of a accident, so he's got 2 injuries on him, so he's having to wear the cone, bless him. Anyway, so yeah, that's the grey. This is called light grey. Then we have dark blue. That's really, really nice. Deep dark blue. Oh, cuckoo, it's okay. Then purple, which is called violet. Really nice. Yeah, I got some really dark colours actually, when usually for like amigurumis usually you see like pastels, but I wanted to try out these dark colours as well. Then we've got deep green, which is not wound very tightly around this bit. Oh, I reckon that's happened. I don't know. Just gonna do that. Yeah, that's really nice. That really looks nice with this hair colour actually. But yeah, I'm gonna save these all for amigurumis. I'm not gonna try and make a garment out of these because obviously I don't have enough. And yeah, I think I really like this yarn for plushies. Because yeah, I've tried making a jumper with like velvety chenille yarn, and I actually bought that from Aldi last year, so they haven't come out with a yarn like it since. It was called Velvet Yarn, and it has so many loops, you know, like it comes undone a little bit, which I'm not a big fan of, so I'm probably gonna frog that whole project and make something else out of it because I'm really not happy with it, and I don't see myself wearing it because I don't want to, you know, all the loops coming out. I have it in one of my very old whips and finished objects video, so I'll have that in the little information card if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm not a big fan. I really like the idea of the jumper, but I don't get along with crocheting it for clothes, so hopefully I'm a lot better with crocheting with it for amigurumis, like plushies. And then the last colour is sky blue. This is really nice. Nice baby blue colour. So yeah, that is my AliExpress yarn haul. That's everything I got. I just got 10 skeins, like I said, because then I got the free faster shipping. And yeah, I'm happy with what I got. Nothing, it's all here. It's not, they haven't given me like the wrong colours or anything, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, I don't know how it's gonna work up yet, but I will definitely let you guys know on how I get along with this yarn. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're having a lovely day, happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!